Hi everyone, my name is Leila. Today I can present to you two basic labs of VMware. The first one is configuring VMware ESXI. This is the key task I would perform in the later video. And I also give some basic details of what is ESXI server act in a VMware Lab. Okay, let's start the lab. First of all, we have to log into the VMware environment, and we just go to the VMware client. Here, I have already input the ESXI host IP. For me, it's 10.0.0.10, and username is root. And I just input the password. Okay, click on login, and the certificate warning comes out. We just click ignore it. Okay, now we are in the we are into the VSphere client, and now we are gonna present the first task. We click, and this one is home inventory, and the second task is view the host hardware configurations. So we go to the configuration tab. We double click inventory. Under the configuration tab, we can view the status by expanding object in the sensor list. Let's expand it. Okay, then we go to hardware processors. Then we can view about the details given, like processor speed and the logical processors. After check about that, we go to hardware memory. Also, there's some data showing of the basic configuration there. Okay, let's perform the third task, configure the DNS and routing information for an ESXI host. For me, I just go to the software, configuration, DNS, and the routing. I just showing it, but I'm going to property to do the configuration. And here, under the routing, we have put the gateway like 10.0.0.1. And in the configuration pane, its name is my host name, ESXI01. Domain, and we also put the preferred DNS server. And look for host for the domain. Should be the same. And click OK. There comes a warning. We just, for the IPv6 address, we just click yes to continue. Okay, this part has been done. We go to the next tasks. First, we go to configuration software panel, time configuration. We click on properties. Enable the NTP client. Click option. We choose the second one, start and stop with host, and click start. Okay, we should edit the IP address. Okay. Click on the restarted NTP service to apply changes and click OK. Okay. Now we can see the time configuration. The NTP client is in running status. And now let's perform about the last task. Under the configuration tab, we enter the software, we choose authentication service, and we click on properties. This part is for us to join the domain. We select Active Directory and input the domain we want to join. There pops up a window to require for the user and the password of the administrator. We click on Join Domain and click OK. Now we can see the entries have been accepted. Okay, let's leave it here and continue with the next lab. Okay, let's perform the second lab, configuring VMware Lab. Configuring using the VMware VSphere web client. This is the key object we would perform in this lab. Let's get it started. First, we log into the environment and we input the VMware Management Console page. And this page, first of all, we need to perform the first task to install the client integration plugin. This feature will provide access to a virtual machines console in the VMware web client. So we just click on the Download Client Integration Plugin link at the bottom of the VSphere web client. Click on Run. And now we can see this file has been already downloaded. That's with the downloading. Open the folder. We can see now it's already completed. We just click on the Run. It pops up the installation and the progress is near to close. Okay, let's leave it here as it will finish when it pumps out. Let's just go to log into this web page. Okay, let's perform the second task. After login, we go to the vCenter, Host and Clusters. We click it. Then we navigate to top object, and we click next is the menu. We click on the ESXI host. And we can click on the summary. They're showing the detailed configurations of this platform. Then we use the home icon to return to the home page. Let's perform the second task. Still select vCenter, Host, and Cluster. Expand it. Double-click the host. There comes a pin icon. Click in the contact pane. And then we click the pin in the navigation pane to repin the window. Okay? In the alarm windows, we just click on maximum. To restore it, we just click on the Restore Down icon in the alarm pane. Okay, let's perform the next task to hide the Get Started tab. Still go back to Home page by clicking on the Home icon. From the Help drop-down menu, we select Hide All Getting Started page. Then again, we select Show All Getting Started pages. So now let's perform the last task to upgrade the virtual machine hardware. Still back to Home, vCenter, Host, and Cluster. Under Training, we click on our host, and there is a virtual machine in the power on status. To configure the basic setting, we just make it power off. Click Shutdown, click Yes. Okay, now it's in the power off condition. We go to Summary. Let's just go to Edit Setting. We click Array next to the Upgrade. We click on the Schedule, the VMware Compatibility Upgrade. Now we compact with RAID ESXI 5.5 and later. Click on OK.